Hello everyone, if you are preparing for 9th grade DİM exam, I'm Miss Ali who's going to explain these questions for you. If you will watch my video, so you will see your improvement and hope you will get good results in the exam. Let's go. I will try to take videos, by the way, at 5 questions daily. Try to take a video daily, and every day I will explain 5 different questions, and there will be some examples. Like one of them I will explain, the other one you will do by yourself, and you can comment your answers below so I can check if you will write correct or not. Well guys, first 10 questions, let's go. Find the integer and fractional part of root 3. First of all, I want to tell you how can we find integer and fractional part, guys. This is the most common question for the DİM exam. Well, let's say you have a number. Explanation I'm writing in here. Let's say you have a number, for example, root x. Okay, root x. First of all, you have to find, as you know, integer and fractional part of root x, right? Let's write integer and fractional part. Well, for integer part, before the solving this question, for integer or fractional part, doesn't matter. You need to find this root x is between which two integer number. Let's say it's between a and b. Okay, it's between two integer numbers, which is a and b. Okay, after that, for integer part, you need to know that integer is the smallest number which comes before root x. What is it? A. You will ignore b. You will not need b. Integer part is just a. Fractional part is just your original number. What is it? Root x minus the integer part. Okay, minus integer part. Let's write integer. So it means the root x minus a. Okay, let's solve the question. Root 3. First of all, what we have to do for root 3? I have to find root 3 is between which two integer. Root 3 is between 1 and 2, right? Why? Because root 1, then root 3, and what? Root 4. That's why. After this, guys, we have to find second integer part. Let's write the right side. Second integer part. What is integer part? The number which comes before your original one, right? Which is 1. Right, 1. Then fractional part. Fractional. How can we find? Your original number, which is root 3, right? Root 3. Then minus what? Root 3 minus the integer part, which is 1. That's it. This is your answer. Most probably in the exam they will ask one of them, only either integer part or fractional part. So guys, if you understand this question, comment your answer to below for this question. You can stop the video and solve this question, then continue to watch it. It will be better for you to understand it. Well, a plus, let's try to solve. What is given? A plus b over a equals to 3, and the question asks from me a over b. Let's look. Can I write this one as a over a plus b over a? Yes, why not? We can write. Well, a over a is what? 1 plus b over a equals to 3. In this case, b over a, guys, is going to be 2, right? b over a is 2. But what the question asks from you? Reciprocal of b over a. It means that we find b over a, but the question asks from you a over b. Logically, you will change numerator and denominator place, right? If it is 2, it means that it is 2 over 1. So reciprocal will be, change a and b places, 1 over 2. Okay, if you will look at the answers, there is no 1 over 2 because the answer will be given as decimal number, so it's 0.5. Answer is A. Well guys, when the students saw this question, they just immediately write answer as 2, but look at carefully what the question asks from you. Okay, after that, solve it. So again, stop the video recording and solve question 4. My cat is calling me. Find the sum of the angles adjacent to the given angle. Okay, adjacent to the given angle, let's go to draw two straight lines which they intersect. Right, they intersect. And what the question says that the sum of the angles which is adjacent to the given angle. Let's say this is given angle x, right? Given angle x, I don't know what is it. the sum of adjacent angles to the given angle. It means the sum of the other, how many angles? 3 angles. Okay, 230. So this is full angle, right? This is full angle. If you will start from here, it's going to be full angle. It means that this 230, which is sum of 3 angles, 230 plus what? X, which is given angle, which you don't know what is it, equals to what? Full angle is 360 degree. 360 degree. In this case, X is going to be 360 minus 230 is 130 degree. One of the easy questions. So if you understand this question, again, stop the video recording and solve question 6. And sometimes the question can ask from you, this is obtuse angle, right? Find the acute angle for this shape. So acute angle will be what? As you know, if X is 130, the acute angle will be, yes, 50 degree. Okay, because 180 minus 130 equals to 50 degree. Do not forget, for this kind of shapes where two lines intersect, one acute plus one obtuse equals to 180 degree, which makes straight line. Okay, they are straight line. Then question 6 you will do by yourself. Question 7 is one of the favorite question for the students. For this question, guys, for this question, first of all, I want to what I want to tell you. If we are talking about even root, and for example x square out of the root, as you know, there is invisible 2, which we can simplify them, but we can simplify and just write x. If you will write like this, so your answer will not be correct. You need to write module x. Why module x? Because under the root, answer is always positive, right? And as you know, absolute value makes whatever the number positive, correct? Whatever the number positive. So as you know, as about absolute value, if absolute value x is greater than 0, right? So module x is always equals to x. But if x is smaller than 0, then module x absolute value as x equals to negative x. Okay, so let's solve this question. Under the root, x minus 15 square minus root of x plus 2 square. Well, guys, what we have to do, as you know, if there is an invisible 2 and it is square, so we have to write as a root module x minus 15 minus x plus 2 equals to okay, x minus 15. Now I have to analyze what is x. What is x, guys? X is between negative 4 and negative 2, right? It means x is negative number, correct? Negative number minus negative will be what? Negative. That's why you have to write negative x minus 15. Why? Because this value is negative. And we said that if x is smaller than 0, it means that whatever is inside the absolute value, if it is negative number, your answer must be negative, okay? With negative sign you need to write, Then minus, again, x plus 2. Guys, x plus 2, x is between negative 4 and negative 2. Whatever you will write, because a negative 4 plus 2, for example, your answer will be negative 2 again, right? It means that the absolute value is negative. So we have to write, expand the bracket with negative sign, negative x plus 2. Okay? Which equals to negative x plus 15. As you know, negative makes positive. Then it's going to be plus x plus 2. Negative x and positive x will go away. Answer will be 17. For the next videos, I will try to explain more these kind of questions, because the students generally makes a mistake for this kind of questions. And the next question, 8th question is in here, which for your practicing. As you know, if you practice, so you will understand better. Just stop video now and practice this question. By the way, DİMİmtahanı is my online course where you can find IB, Cambridge, SAT, calculus lessons, and DIM lessons as well. If you will contact with me, I will be happy to help you improve your math knowledge. Well, guys, let's look at 9th question. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, it's last question for you. Find the sum and product of the roots of equation. Well, guys, there is a rule again for this. I want to write first of all the rule which we have to learn by heart. Without learning root, the formula, it will really take time to solve this question, and that's meaningless waste of time. Well, the given equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, right? So from Riyaziyyat theorem, you know that sum and product formula. Okay, if the question will ask from you sum, as you know it's quadratic, right? It means that there are two solutions, x1 and x2. Let's write. You can see roots or solutions for what? X1 and X2. As you know, it's squared. That's why there is two solutions. If discriminant is greater than 0, no more details. So if you will see this kind of question, I will explain for the next videos. Well, guys, roots or solutions X1 and X2. Well, first of all, if the question will ask from you sum of roots, what does it mean? X1 plus X2 equals to, it's negative b over a. Negative b, whatever b, then with negative sign over a, okay, which is x1 plus x2. Then product of roots. Every exam they ask this kind of question. Product of roots is x1 multiplied by x2 equals to c over a. C over a. Whatever c, we will divide it by a. Then let's go to solve this question. First of all, what's the equation? This is the rule, guys. Write to your copybook and learn them by heart. 2x squared minus 4x minus 3 equals to 0. So what is a? A is 2, b is negative 4, and c is negative 3. The question asks sum. Sum of roots. What's the formula? Negative b over a. Which is b is negative 4. Negative b will be positive 4, right? 4 over 2, which is 2. And product of solutions of roots or solutions, both of them you can see, which means that x1 times x2, which is c over a. What is c? Negative 3. c is negative 3 over 2. That's it, guys. Most probably the question will ask one of them, either sum or products. For example, this question was asking only sum, but I changed the question because it's just explanation steps and you will understand better in this case. Well, guys, there is I'm moving myself. There is one more question for you, and you can solve this question. Then write me your answers, comment below your answer, then I will check your answers and let you know that it's correct or not. Hope this video is useful for you, and if you have any friends who is preparing for the DİM exam, you can send this video to them. Take care, good luck, guys. Study a lot, no pain, no gain, guys. Just last 1 month.